Thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Let me hit you with some brutal facts. There are 115 million YouTube channels out there, and the vast majority are going nowhere. No joke, 90% of them never even reach 1,000 subscribers. Just 6% ever earn their first paycheck. And reaching 1 million subscribers, less than 0.05% ever get there. Do the math. If you start fresh today, you're looking at roughly 1 in 2,000 odds of hitting a million. When most people see those numbers, they don't even bother trying. They convince themselves the opportunity's gone. They tell themselves they've missed the boat. They couldn't be more mistaken. Every major creator you follow began with 0 subscribers. They didn't stumble into success by accident. They approached things strategically. They developed the right mentality. And in this video, I'm breaking down 9 critical principles that distinguish the creators who thrive from the 99% who walk away. Most people launch channels with completely unrealistic beliefs. I just need one video to blow up. Once I'm monetized, the money flows automatically. YouTube's simple. Just film, post, and watch the channel grow. Then reality strikes. Minimal views, 0 revenue, glacial progress. This is the moment when nearly everyone throws in the towel. But successful creators, they don't quit. They study, they evolve, they improve with each upload. That's what makes them impossible to stop. Here's what sets them apart. Lesson 1. Get your expectations straight. YouTube isn't some fast track to easy money. It's a discipline, a talent you build, and a marathon. Start because you genuinely want to make content, not because you're banking on quick wins. Lesson 2. Don't bail prematurely. Those channels you look up to, most weren't their creators' first rodeo. Plenty of successful YouTubers posted hundreds of videos that nobody watched. They persisted long enough to eventually crack the code. Lesson 3. Actually implement what you study. Don't just consume endless growth strategy videos. After watching each tutorial, extract one actionable insight and use it in your next video. Incremental upgrades compound massively over time. Lesson 4. Seek legitimate guidance. If anyone's selling you overnight fame, walk away immediately. Authentic growth requires patience, smart planning, and hard work. Lesson 5. Stop obsessing over being different right away. When you're just starting, analyze what's already succeeding in your category. Master the basics first, then layer in your unique voice. That's when differentiation actually matters. Lesson 6. Nail down your focus area. Uploading random content confuses YouTube's recommendation system and your audience. Growth requires focus. Understand exactly who you're creating for and commit to serving them. Lesson 7. Embrace the 80-20 principle. 80% of your success stems from 20% of your action. For YouTube, that critical 20% is your topic selection, your title, your thumbnail, and your opening 30 seconds. Get these right, and growth follows. Lesson 8. Show up regularly. Abilities like video editing, narrative structure, and on-camera presence only sharpen through repetition. The more consistently you create, the quicker you level up. And lesson 9. Be willing to pivot your content category. Sometimes your execution is strong, but your niche is either too narrow or oversaturated. Making a strategic shift can completely transform your trajectory. Here's what it comes down to. Most creators give up because they're hunting for hacks and get demoralized when instant results don't materialize. But the elite performers, they maintain consistency. They never stop learning, and they obsess over mastering core fundamentals. Follow that blueprint, and you'll instantly outperform 99% of people trying to make it on YouTube. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more strategies on growing your channel. And when you're ready to discover exactly when you should abandon your current niche and how to transition properly, check out this video next.